Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to have you. We are bringing a brand new set to the channel today. Mr. Crispy Poles is finally getting into some Obsidian Flames. I mean, come on, who doesn't love a Charizard set? I mean, these packs seem really easy to get, pretty cheap. I think it should be a fairly easy set to complete, and so far we're starting off pretty much from scratch. So far, from a couple shorts we uploaded, we got this little Greedent EX, we got a Larvitar, and the one card I got from opening some packs before I started uploading videos, we got the Tyranitar EX. Pretty good way to start off the set, so we're gonna get right into this. Today we got one ETB. We got 9 packs with all the good usual ETB business, but we haven't opened up any Obsidian Flames ETBs before, so I'm quite excited. Let's get into it. Our lovely player's guide. Everyone's favorite, the cardboard. Some nice deck sleeves. And another beautiful promo card. I really like this Charmander. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs of Obsidian Flames. Let us get into it. Oh my goodness, what can we do off of our very first box? I think I've only gotten single packs from Obsidian Flames when we opened them, so haven't opened any sort of box at all from these guys. Mawile, Togedemaru, Brevard. We're going to take our time through these commons, uncommons just a little bit, at least through this box. We do need a lot of these, at least one copy. Reverse Crab Brawler, Reverse Grumpig, and a Hollow Entei. Okay, I'm not even mad. It's an Entei. Can't be mad at Entei. Booyah, on to pack number 2. Let's see if we can pick it up a little bit. Come on. We want some Charizards. I want a big bad boy Charizard. Come on, ooh. Maybe? I don't know. I don't know the borders too well. I can't tell what that is. Weasel's gonna show it to us. Come on. Baroom. Togetic. Let's go. Poltegeist. Reverse Bounce Sweet. Reverse Skarmory. And oh, it is the Hollow Scovillain. Scovillain? Scovillain. Actually, I haven't seen that guy before. Alright, come on now. I thought I saw that Obsidian Flames had some good hit rates in it. Doesn't seem like there's too many crazy expensive cards, so hoping to find this set for just cheap, easy to open. Gotta buy some cards to fill it in towards the end. It's gonna be easy. That's what we're looking for. Togepi. It's also got just like a general theme that I kind of like. Ooh, Capsakid. That's another new one. A couple Pokemon I'm familiar with, a couple that I'm not. Reverse Claydol. Reverse Granbull. Come on. Hey, it's something. We got a Cloth EX. Okay. Hey, that's new. Let's leave this guy right up. Ooh, yeah. Alright, that's what we're talking about. Now we still want to add a couple more. Oh, come on. I gotta find a better way to open these packs. We are not consistent with these, but that's okay. Slanted's okay with it. He accepts us for who we are. Larvitar, come on. That's cute. Toadscrew, come on. Solrock. We got the Doug Trio. Reverse Rhyme. Reverse Masquerain. And a Hollow Palafin. Alrighty, Obsidian Flames, we're really needing some help here. We need something from you. Here we go, Drillbur. Show it to us. We need it. Come on, show us something. I want to see behind the reverse Magnezone. We got the reverse Lycanroc and Hollow Thundurus. Ooh, the ETB's being rough on us. Okay, halfway through an ETB, and so far, 1 EX. Certainly not our fastest start that we've ever had, but you know what they say? They say the best for last. I've heard that's especially true with this box. Little Toadscrew with the Eevee, Houndour, come on. Houndstone, Diggersby, show me something. Reverse Larvesta, something good. Reverse Capsicid, come on. And we got the Hollow Scizor. Ooh, Obsidian Flames is not being kind to us so far. We really got to pick this up. A little Paldean Wooper action. Alright, Baltoy, Carvana. Kingambit, we need a little something. Letter of Encouragement, come on. That's what we're talking about. Wiglet. That's a new one too. Reverse Wiglet. Reverse Lampent. Please? Pretty please? There's a something. Glamora EX. Here we go, pop that in the sleeve. 2 EXs, okay. 2 EXs, 2 packs to go. I'm still looking for... We're gonna need some help. We still need some help. We gotta pick it up a little bit. So far, Obsidian Flames is being a little slow for us. A little tough, but that's okay. We gotta earn our way. Letter of Encouragement. Worked for us last time. Reverse Lechonk. Oh, and the Hollow Gita. And last pack magic. We're gonna really need something here. We are praying, hoping. Please. Let's go, Glimmet. Rhyme. We got a Rockruff, Wiglet, Chandelure. We got the Patrol Cap, Blossom, and they're all guarding our reverse Buizel, reverse Pawniard, and come on, little last pack magic. Is it in here? Hollow Palafin. Oh man, this was not our box. We still got a couple cards we can add to the binder, and now we have a player's handbook for Obsidian Flames. We can keep track of all of our cards, so not too shabby. Certainly not our best box ever, but we certainly can't win them all, but that's alright. Thank you so much for coming to check us out. I was really glad to see you. Hope you guys come in for the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.